Okay, so hey everybody. Lately, Petron has been doing great work in terms of audio segment, right? Because the products that Petron is bringing are really worth buying because the price to specifications ratio that Petron has set from the beginning is really good. Though there are definitely flaws in some products, people haven't liked most of the Petron's products, right? But however, this is the Petron Fusion Bluetooth speaker, right, which is priced at 1100 rupees, and I've got it here. So I'm going to unbox this, and obviously I'll give you my first impressions, right? So hello guys, this is Umang Jawar from Technology Overdose. Let's begin. But before starting this video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will not miss any amazing video that I put on my YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, so this is the box. As you can see, it's Petron Fusion 10 watt written here, and here there are some important details of this product, as you can see, which I'll be covering in my video definitely, right? So yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, so this is the speaker, right? Let's keep this aside, and we obviously have some more okay, so here we have user manual, right? Obviously, to know more details of this product, we have this charging cable, right? So that is a good thing. By the way, it's a USB A type cable, not C type, and we obviously get a aux cable that is 3.5 mm. And yeah, that's it. It's written world class mobile audio #be loud to be proud. Okay, so that is all the box contents. Let's keep all this aside, and this is the main speaker, right? So let's take out this tape, right? Okay, so this is the Petron Fusion 10 watt wireless speaker, right? So okay, so this is the Petron Fusion 10 watt speaker, right? And definitely the looks of it is really amazing, and it doesn't even seem that it is this low price, that is 1100 rupees, right? So definitely in terms of design, in terms of look, Petron has really done a great job. But other than that, even if you talk about this build quality, it's plastic, but definitely the plastic finish they have used is really amazing, right? And this satisfying touch that you get generally is also amazing. So in terms of build quality, in terms of design, it is really great, right? So thumbs up to Petron for doing this great job, right? Talking about physical overview, right? So you get obviously the change track buttons. This is the power button, obviously, and this is the play pause button, and this is the mode change button, right? So that is very good thing. Other than that, if we talk about remaining buttons, so this is obviously the charging port, the USB insert port, obviously the mic port, and the aux port, and the memory card port. Okay, so as you can see, the speaker is, I have set up the speaker and I have connected it to Bluetooth. So if you can see these LED lights, so no one can tell this is a 1100 speaker definitely, and it really looks like physical human eyes. These are like shaped eyes, and inside you have those eyeballs kind of thing, which is blue colored. So definitely in terms of design and build quality, I have been really impressed, right? So yeah, I have connected, so let's test the audio out. As you can hear, I have nothing to say. Definitely the loudness, the bass, it is really amazing. Like in terms of seeing this at 1100 rupees, it is definitely worth it, and I really want to appreciate Petron for creating this amazing product at 1100 rupees. And in fact, I think at the time when you will see this video, definitely the price must have gone down, because since the sale is coming up. So if you are looking for a speaker, then definitely this is one to get, right? But yeah, talking about audio specifications, which is really very important in a speaker, you get 10 watt audio output, stereo effect, 5 watt on the right and 5 watt on the left. You also get a micro subwoofer, which is also a great thing, generally not seen in this price range. And even in terms of output, in this price range, generally you get 5 to 7 watt, but here Petron has been providing 10 watt output, so that is also a really amazing thing in terms of audio quality. So in terms of audio, it is really fully packed with features, right? Next, talking about battery life, you get 2000 milliampere battery capacity, and Petron promises that you will get around 10 hours of musical playback on one full charge. So that is really great. Other than that, you get 10-meter wireless range capacity. And talking about connectivity, you get Bluetooth 5.1. And talking about connectivity options, right? So in this part also, this speaker has all the options, right? Obviously there is Bluetooth connection. Other than that, you have aux cable connection, which has been provided in the box. Other than that, you can also insert a USB pen drive or an SD card, right? So you get all the connectivity options in this speaker, right? So okay, so finally, what I think about this speaker. Definitely at the price tag of 1100, you get amazing audio quality, you get great build quality, great design, and definitely all the connectivity options you need. So in terms of, I'm seeing the price tag and the features that Petron has offered, definitely worth it, right? So if your budget is around 1000 rupees, you are looking for a wireless speaker, then this will definitely satisfy your needs, right? So that was it about this Petron Fusion 10 watt wireless Bluetooth speaker. So if this video helped you, please hit that like button, share this video, comment on if you have any suggestions or queries. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, keep smiling.